Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to ALD. Once again, it is time for our spelling word drawing and our spelling word writing. So make sure you have something to write and draw with and something to write and draw on. We are going to get started. First word is B-O-R-N. B-O-R-N is born. Is born. Okay, so for born, why don't we draw a circle? A circle just like that. And we're going to draw a little bit more because that wouldn't be... what is that? So we're going to start up here and we're just going to kind of draw like an egg shape around that circle. There. You go, what is going on? What is this? Well down here, let's put a big smiley face. Put a couple of eyes. I'm going to draw a little line going like that. This is a baby when it was first born, and it is all wrapped up. And look, I'm even going to put a couple little hairs coming out of the top of its head. There's our baby who has just been born. Born. Next we have H-O-R-N. Well, this is born, B-O-R-N, and then this one just has a at the beginning. This is horn. A horn, okay. So for a horn, let's draw like a squished long C. You know, it's kind of squished, it's kind of long and tall. All right, and then we're going to draw out this way and out this way. Then we're going to connect these, but with a curved line. Curve it like that. And now we're going to do the same on the other side. We're going to curve it and connect. Curve and connect. Oh, and look at that. There's our horn. And we can show that somebody's maybe blowing that horn. There we go. That is horn. Next we have C-O-R-K. This is cork. Cork. Okay. What are we going to do with cork? Well, we're going to start off with a C. And then we're going to draw a backward C on the other side. And they're not touching. Alright, not touching. Next, let's draw a line coming down on each side, coming down and out like this. And we'll draw a little bottom like that. Okay, now right here, I'm going to have you draw a line coming down on each side, then a line to connect it. And the top also. You know what, we can connect right here. And down below, let's draw a little bit more of that. This is a cork. And what a cork does is you put liquid in like a vase or a bottle. Well, it's like a cap and keeps it in there. So I'm going to have this, I'm going to get my blue here. I'm going to put some water down here at the bottom of this vase. There. And my cork, just making sure if it gets knocked down, it does not spill. That is cork. Next up over here we have C-O-R-N, and this is corn. Now, I don't have yellow, alright? Don't have my yellow, so I'm going to use orange. I'm going to draw my corn like this. Maybe put those lines through it. Yeah, something like that. And maybe it's still on the corn stalk. So I'm going to grab my green and I'm going to put it all around here. There we go. Now color that guy in. And there's my orange. Fancy corn. Okay. Look at that. Alright, next up we have F-O-R-K. Now this is a fork. So we'll start with a line like this. And draw 2 lines up each side. Lines out each way like this. And we're going to go up and down, up and down. It's like a pitchfork, right? But it's a fork. Okay. So fork is F-O-R-K. Corn is C-O-R-N. Cork is C-O-R-K. Horn is H-O-R-N. Born is B-O-R-N. There are our spelling words. Now we'll do some brainstorming for your sentences that you're going to write. Now we have born. What can we do? We could say, I was born on, and then give your birthday. If it was today, you'd say, I was born on March 16th, or whatever it is, right? Or the baby was born. He was born. She was born. You could even talk about cats, right? That cat was born. Cork. Cork. What could we say for cork? I put a cork in the bottle. The cork makes sure the water doesn't spill. Right? Fork. I use a fork to eat. I had to wash my fork. Corn. I love to eat corn. Look how tall the corn is. Horn. That horn is loud. All right? I blew my horn as loud as I could. All right, boys and girls. Now is the time when you get to go do some brainstorming of your own and write some sentences. Now you can use the examples that I came up with, just like the pictures, or you could come up with your own. You can draw your own version of born, or fork, or horn, or corn, or cork, and come up with your own sentences. All right? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember to use 2 fingers to space out in your sentences, okay? And make sure you add a period at the end if it is a statement, question mark if it's a question, exclamation point if you are exclaiming something. All right, boys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for ALD. Have fun, use your imaginations, and I'll see you soon.